Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Risky.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delia C, and today's video will be me showing you guys how I remove my makeup. So I'm gonna start off by removing my eyelashes, as you can see in the video. Taking my Biore baking soda cleansing water with my makeup wipes, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my makeup wipes, and I'm just gonna proceed to wipe the makeup off my face. And guys, Biore products, you can find them at Walmart and Shoppers Drug Mart. Like, honestly, this product is the bomb. Like, usually I will go for my Garnier water, but when I discovered this one here, baby, ain't no turning back. So I'm taking my makeup wipes and my Biore cleansing water. I'm gonna put the Biore on my makeup wipes, and I'm just gonna repeat the step again and wipe the makeup off my face. As you can see, there's less product on the makeup wipes, so I'm taking my Biore charcoal cleanser in my Mary Kay brush. I'm taking a little bit of my cleanser and put it in my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And I'm gonna take my Mary Kay brush and I'm just gonna work that product onto my face. Taking my face cloth, I'm just going to dip it in my water, and I'm using it to wipe off the product off my face. I'm going back with my Biore charcoal cleanser and Mary Kay brush and repeat the same step. I'm just going to scrub away because I need my face to be feeling squeaky clean. Then I'm gonna go in with my face cloth and just wipe off the product. Using a Q-tip and Vaseline, I will dip the Q-tip in the Vaseline, and I'm just going to go under my eyelids to remove the product under there. And normally, like, your eyeliner or mascara would just be sitting under your eyelids, even if you do all the step to remove your makeup. So using the Vaseline with a Q-tip will take off the product, so you won't be looking like a raccoon. Taking this jumbo cotton pad that I got from the dollar store, I am going to take my Biore water and put a little on the cotton pad, and I'm just going to wipe all over my face. I'm going to go under my eyes to remove the Vaseline product from before, and as you can see, baby, ain't no product is left on that cotton pad. I'm using my fan to dry my face just to speed up the process because I had somewhere to be and I was running out of time. Taking my Olay Hendrickson Nutri-Me Smoothing Cream, I'm just going to take some of that cream to moisturize my face. I'm just gonna go back in the cream a little bit more, and I'm just gonna massage my face to make sure that my face is fully moisturized. And also I'm just gonna bring the cream down to my neck area. Using my Olay Hendrickson facial water, I'm going to spray it on my face so my face can feel refreshed and hydrated.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm gonna try this again, and I'm just gonna spray my face, and hopefully it goes right without it getting into my eyes. Now taking my Victoria's Secret Minty Shine On Refreshing Lip Gloss, I'm just gonna take some and just put it on my lips. So guys, this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye.